Every great success story starts with a decision. The decision is to never settle for less than you deserve. You are not born successful, you become successful by choice, by discipline, and by far-tested action. Success is not about luck, it's not about talent, it's about how badly you want it. It's about how many times you are willing to get up after falling. Because falling is a part of process, but staying down is a choice. You have one life, one chance, one shot. Don't waste it being afraid. Don't waste it living someone else's dream. Wake up, stand tall, and chase the life you were meant to live. With everything you have got. Success is not about how you start. It's about how you keep going. You will fail, you will fall. People will laugh, criticize, and doubt you. But none of it matters. If you don't give up, your pain, your struggle, your late night and early morning, they are all part of the story you are writing, and one day that story will inspire others if you keep going. So stop waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. You are not always going to feel motivated. You would not always feel confident. But if you show up anyway, that's where real power is built. Because the most successful people, they don't feel ready either. They just decided to start. You were not born to be average. You were born to be great. Success does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who show up every single day, whether they feel like it or not. It's easy to dream, it's easy to wish, but dreams don't work unless you do. The real difference between those who succeed and those who don't is consistency and commitment. The world is full of people with talent and potential, but very few are willing to suffer for their goals. Are you? You see, the truth is brutal. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is going to do the work for you. If you want to change your life, you must take your full responsibility for it. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Every second you delay is a second lost. While you are doubting yourself, someone else is chasing the same dream, harder, faster, and stronger. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Success does not come from what you do occasionally. It's come from what you do consistently.